It's not like that. I write it down dollar here, yuan here, and then baht here. No. Okay. You need to be, making a comparable currency and comparable option as well. Okay. So you decided that, okay, what if I start my own business? I would be earning $300,000, 300,000 yuan a year. What if I stay in China after my bachelor degree and I would be working for someone else in a company and I would be earning 200,000? And what if I go back to my home country and over there I start job right after my bachelor degree and I would be earning 150,000 yen, right? Okay. You choose two. You choose number two. Now tell me, what is the opportunity cost?
It's the sum of the first one, so start own business and work home.
Okay, so I was right. You don't fully understand the opportunity cost. Again, opportunity cost is the next alternative that you lose, right? So here there is priority. You choose, okay, let me call this A, B, and C. Okay, you give priority like 1, 2, and 3. If you choose B, then your lost opportunity would be, next lost opportunity would be 2. Your opportunity cost would be 300,000. If you combine that one, then you have unlimited options. You could be working in US, in Norway, in Australia or somewhere else, right? Then you add something, then you realize, oh my God, I have opportunity cost of $1 billion and I'm earning just 20,000 yen per month, right? Understand?
Yes, you're right. I understand. Yeah, thank you.
If in a simple sense, it is like the next best alternative you lose is called opportunity cost. Okay, let me change the color. What if you choose, what if you choose, why? Yeah, again, same color, why is that? Come on. Yeah, you choose A. That is your number one priority. Your next priority is C option. Third priority is. So if you choose A, what is your next best lost opportunity? That is C.
C. Yeah, because you're working at home.
Home country. Home country. Okay.
Yeah.
So your opportunity cost would be 150,000. Okay, guys? Now I think you understand that, right? It's not the summation of all the opportunity. Otherwise, I would be, richer than Bill Gates or Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk, because my opportunity cost is too much. In my wants and wishes, I would be working anywhere in the world. Okay, good guys. Understand?
So let me repeat it again. So if you choose A, you lost C because C is the next best option.
My priority according to the list of alternatives. Okay, so only one opportunity is not lost opportunities, not lost opportunity, not opportunities, opportunity. The next best alternative that you lose is your called opportunity cost. Understand, guys?
Yes, now it's clear.
Okay, good, good, good. Now, number third principle is rational people think at margin. First of all, rationality versus irrationality. So what do we mean by rationality and what do we mean by irrationality? So rationality means, or rational people means, those who systematically and purposefully do the best they can choose to achieve the objective. In simple words, rationality means those who follow systematic process in decision making. The simple definition is, you can write it down. Those or rational people are those who systematically follow some steps to achieve your goal, to achieve the alternative, or to achieve the objective, right? For example, you want to buy a laptop, right? You decide that, okay, I have 20,000 yuan budget for my laptop. What is the systematic process? Number one, you find out brands. Apple, Surface, Vio, Sony, Samsung, Dell, HP, Asus, Lenovo, right? Okay, I have brands. Number two, cost comparison. Okay, Apple is close. Apple is like 25,000. Surface is 20,000. Not more than 20,000. It's like 23,000. Dell is 20,000. Asus is 19,000. HP is close to 18,000. Right? Number three, specs. Quality, or it has 1 terabyte. You know, levels like that. You just find out the quality, and then you find out, okay, my budget is, according to my specs, I need 1 terabyte hard disk. I need 16 or 32, ROM. I need, SSD. I need, very sleek design, very latest design. Windows 11 would be there, right? And you find out that Apple cost 25,000, Surface cost 21,000, and your budget is 20,000. Dell fits your problem, warranty and all the stuff. You choose Dell. It means you follow a systematic process, right? Guys, understand? We call this rationality. You choose based on some steps. Now tell me one thing. Did you go every day, these kind of stuffs? You go? Oh,
No.
I want to buy a pen. Okay, how many companies are offering this pen? Okay, which cost? Okay, how much is the life of this pen? It is handy or not? It takes you like 3 hours to decide, just piece of pen, right? Or if you want to have coffee, right? Okay, how many companies are offering, coffee in your area? Okay, cost comparison and all this stuff. Come on, just take a coffee and go out. That's it. It means people are not 100% rational. They exert irrational decision as well. But economics consider that people are rational. So that is the biggest assumption which is not applicable to human behavior. But does people exert rationality? Yes, when a lot of money is involved, then people do have a rational decision. You want to buy a house, you take a break, you breathe, you calculate, you take a step-by-step process, right? You want to buy a car, which leasing company is giving you a low lease and all that stuff, right? Or you want to have a noodles, you go to rational process? No, because small money is, it's like money is involved. You want to have a cigarette. Remember, taste and brands are not explained by the economics. That's why we have a separate subject, marketing and consumer behavior. Because branding, okay, I only like to have Apple, that's it. You don't go to the rational decision. Even the Apple is, it's too costly. Even I myself is a very irrational person. I bought it, Apple. I'm irrational because I'm Apple fan. I didn't go to the other. There are a lot of good, mobile phones, greater, battery life and all the stuff. But I like Apple. It is my brand loyalty. It is mean I am irrational person because I didn't go through the systematic process. I just go and buy. That's it. Even if your house, I want to buy a house at beach. No matter what, I don't care about. Just I want to buy a house at beach. That is irrational. Even sometimes, for big money is involved, even then people make irrational decisions because of brand loyalty or something, luxury styles, or I'm a singer, I'm a celebrity, so I just need to have to do this. It means irrational. Okay, but economics assume every person is rational. Remember that one. So is rationality is good or bad? It is good. Why? Because firm are operated by individual or by person, but when it comes to the firms, you are rational. Sorry about that. You are rational, right? Wait a second, guys. Okay, guys. Sorry about the disturbance. Okay, right? So when you are operating your own company, you are very rational. How many people need to hire, right? How much salary I need to pay him? You work. What is my competitors are paying? Okay, how many, what is this person's credibility, right? Where I need to purchase the raw material, where this is cheaper, you get that alternative. Where I need to sell my product. Okay, there are people here who cannot afford my product. Well, okay, I need to go to the other country, other city, other district, right? So that's why it is very important and very, you can say the credible assumption to make that economics assume people are rational and firms make rational decisions. Otherwise, firm won't be profitable and won't be competitive at all. Okay, so what about the margin stuff? We will talk about extensively about the marginal stuff in our coming lectures when we talk about the costs. But just to understand margin here, margin mean additional or incremental. So I'm just going to skip these, very difficult definitions. First, we solve this example, then we read that definition. It makes more sense. You will understand that. So tell me one thing. A plane is flying from, for example, from A point to B point, right? The flight cost is 10,000, right? There are 200 seats, which means the cost is 500, right? Divided by 500, answer is, 200, answer would be 500. So your average cost of one passenger, if one passenger occupy a one seat, at least the average cost is, it means no profit, no loss would be $500. So you found out that you sold 190 seats at $700. How much you get? If you multiply your total sales or total revenue, 190 multiplied by 700, answer is 133,000, right? Now there are 10 vacant seats, right? There are 200, 190 sold, 10 left. And what happened? A new customer come and say, look, I want to fly with you, but I can pay you 300. Would you allow him to board on this plane or not? Mirko. Mirko.
Yes. Yes, I allow.
Firanan.
I think not.